Is there anything more comforting than creamy tomato soup paired with crispy melted grilled cheese? Today we're keeping it simple and comforting. Chop up 4 tomatoes, 1 onion, a red pepper, and a few garlic cloves. Line a baking tray with parchment and add all your veggies to the tray. Drizzle some olive oil, a spoon of Italian spices, and a spoon of salt and pepper. Then toss them all together. And pop your tray into the oven at 375 for 45 minutes. When that's done, take it out and let it cool. For the next step, add 2 cups of chicken broth to a large pot and add a handful of basil. Scoop all the veggies off the tray and into your pot of chicken broth. Use your immersion blender or hand blender to puree all your vegetables. And now for your grilled cheese. Butter your bread edge to edge, 2 slices of cheese. I use mozzarella and cheddar. You can use whatever you like. Put your sandwiches together and butter the top side of them. Add some butter to a frying pan and place them face down in the frying pan, leaving the butter side up for when you flip them. Your sandwiches are golden and crispy on both sides. Take them out and set them aside. And now for those final touches. Add a half a cup of cream or milk if you prefer. Give it a good blend and make it silky smooth. Now scoop it out into your favorite bowl. For a nice touch, just drizzle a little cream on top. Cut your sandwich in half on an angle, and this is the best part, that first dunk. Here's to cozy days of warm bowls and everyday magic.